Welcome to Big Bastards World. It's Saturday, May 28th. Haven't put out a video for a while. Had a fairly decent Mother's Day. Okay. Sorry about that. I was listening to the scanner. We've had some severe weather move through the last few weeks. We've actually been fairly lucky here. Got a lot of rain, a little bit of hail, some wind. Seems to always go around us. But here it is, a Saturday afternoon. And yes, we have this threat for some severe weather again. Currently we're under a severe thunderstorm warning until 2:45. I guess there's some stuff out between us and Decatur, and there's also stuff farther out than that, so could be an interesting evening. Reason why I stopped doing, I was listening to Scanner. They were paging out Cerro Gordo fire and so on for weather spotting duty. So apparently it must be getting worse, because they were saying a while ago just large hail and a lot of wind and cloud to ground lightning, so maybe it's starting to intensify a little bit. We'll see. That's all I got for now. Okay, storm's starting to get here. Wind's picked up. It's raining a little bit better. Some thunder and stuff going on. And this is 2:45 in the afternoon. Looking at it through the camera here makes it look a little brighter than it actually looks to the naked eye. But you can hear the rain coming down. You can hear the wind blowing. I don't think the worst part of it's got here yet, but it's coming. Well, round one is gone through. It didn't really amount to that much. I mean, it got dark, and we did get teeny tiny bit, a little bitty teeny tiny hail, enough that I knew it was doing it without really damaging anything or really showing up that much. I've never been here after we've had heavy rain. Since I moved in, it seems like every time it rains hard, I'm somewhere else. But got us a little waterway over there between the properties. It's full of water, and then apparently everything that runs off my yard runs out the front. I'm trying to do this without getting the camera too wet. Runs down the driveway, creates a stream down the front of my yard, and then back out onto the road. So, and the reason why I said round one is we're still under a severe thunderstorm warning because there's more coming. There's more out in Macon County right now that's on its way. They said on the scanner a while ago it's between here and Decatur now, but I looked at the radar and it runs clear from halfway between here and Decatur, clear back to the other side of Decatur. So tonight could be a little interesting. This afternoon, however you want to look. Is it afternoon, late afternoon, or is it early evening? Let's see. Let's say late afternoon, because it's only a little after 3. But we'll see how it goes. Well, here it is, Sunday, May 29th. The second set of storms that we were supposed to get yesterday died out. Well, the section that was coming to us died out. The rest of them went to the south of us. So it is 5 till 8 Sunday morning, and the sun's shining. It's already up in the mid-60s. I'm getting on my motorcycle, and I will see you later. Well, here it is, June 7th. I hadn't got the stuff from the end of May published. basically because I didn't have internet. I've been trying to publish stuff by running up and sitting in my truck in front of the library and posting things, or taking my computer over to a friend's and posting things, and I just get tired of doing that. But I have internet at home now, so I'll be posting this soon. Been having trouble with my shoulder for, I don't know, about 9 months now. Been getting jerked around basically by the doctors. Finally got an MRI done. Took them a month to get it scheduled and get me in. Had a doctor's appointment today to get the results, and basically what he told me was that I have torn the labrum in the joint muscle, which basically means I tore part of the cartilage and the goobery stuff that's inside the joint, and it has caused a cyst to grow in the lower part of the joint. He said it was about a 2-centimeter cyst, which he didn't say was real big, but talked like it was pretty good size. Said he can go in and scope the labrum and fix it, but he would have to cut my shoulder open to remove the cysts. With that being said, he proceeds to tell me that the cyst has grown in about the worst spot it could grow in. It's toward the back. It's in the joint, but it's down low, kind of in the back part of the joint. Runs about 2/3 of the way from the back of the joint up to toward the front. And he says it's hard to get to. It's going to be a tricky surgery, but he said he can do it. And what complicates it a little bit more is the fact that the nerve that controls my left arm runs right through where the cyst has grown. So he does not know if the cyst is just sharing room with the nerve, or if it has managed to grow itself around the nerve. He wouldn't really be able to, the way he talked, he wouldn't really be able to know that until he got in and saw what was going on. So basically what he's telling me without actually telling me is that if he does the surgery and damages the nerve, then I could lose use of my arm. Fun. Even if the surgery goes A-OK, I'm going to be off work 4 to 6 months. 4 at the shortest, he said 6 at the longest. The first month, I wouldn't even have use of my arm. They would have it strapped to my body. I'm not happy at all, but there's nothing I can do about it. Basically, he thinks I tore it when I was lifting weights. So much for trying to be healthy, huh? So, I don't know. I haven't decided. He doesn't think it'll heal up on its own because it hasn't healed up on its own. He recommends surgery. Of course, he's a surgeon, so he would. I haven't decided for sure what I'm going to do. I don't know if I want to be off of work that long. It'd be nice to have a nice little vacation of a month or two, but when he's talking 4 to 6, I don't know if I want to be off that long. And I'm a little afraid of losing the use of my arm. So I got some thinking to do and talking to some people and making a decision. And I guess I'll let you know as soon as I've made that decision. So until next time, see ya.